Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Asana, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect with Asana, start by visiting the Asana website. In the top right corner, locate the login button and click on it. If you don't have an account, select the sign up option. Fill in the required details such as your name, email address, and password. After completing the form, click on Get Started. You will receive an email to confirm your account. Check your email and follow the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Asana login page. Enter your credentials to access your new account. After logging in, you will be greeted with a welcome screen. Asana may prompt you to complete a short introduction tutorial. Follow the tutorial to familiarize yourself with the interface and features. Now you can start creating your first project by clicking on the New Project button. Decide whether you want to start from a template or create a project from scratch. If choosing a template, browse through the available options and select one that fits your needs. Customize the project name and details to reflect your objectives. Once your project is set up, you can invite team members by clicking the Share button. Enter the email addresses of those you wish to invite. Select the appropriate permissions for each member. They will receive an invitation via email to join your project. After they accept the invitation, you can start collaborating. Add tasks to your project by clicking on the Add Task button. Detail the tasks with descriptions, due dates, and assignees. Monitor progress by checking task statuses as team members update their work. Use the My Tasks section to keep track of what you need to accomplish. Asana also offers additional features like reporting and timelines for more advanced project management. Explore these features as you become more comfortable with the platform. Regularly check back to manage tasks and updates within your projects. Engaging with Asana will streamline your project management process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.